Today it is World Hunger Day. A lot of people know about Madiba Day, 67 minutes. As SAICA and the profession, we are contributing to the Sustainable Development Goals, which is goal number 2 of the 17 goals, zero hunger. So what we're doing today, we are packing 15,000 meals, packet of meals. A meal can feed to about 6 family members. So today we'll be packing 15,000. You can do the math as to how many family members we're gonna be feeding by just packing these 15,000 meals. And then the entire staff of SAICA is getting involved in packing these meals, including our CEO, also our executive directors. They're all gonna be here today for 2 hours packing 15,000 meals.
I'm from an organization called Rise Against Hunger. And what we do is we engage with corporates to facilitate meal packing events. We distribute them predominantly to early childhood development centers. We currently have over 320 ECDs which we support on a daily basis.
Oh my word, that was so exciting! 15,000 meals packed for World Hunger Day.